Can you see that? Does not transfer, but I kept this lipstick at first position. Okay, it does transfer. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. Today we are doing ranking all my nude lipsticks, and by the title you have seen that we have a total of 15 freaking lipsticks like that are absolutely nude, and actually had 15 plus lipsticks, but some of these lipsticks I've given it to my sister, I've given it to my friends and all, and that's why I am only left with 15, but that is so much. So this is my box of 15 lipsticks, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hands in this and I'm just going to mix all of them, and I'm just going to pick one lipstick out, and then we're going to review that lipstick and rank it as per formula, pigmentation, and if that is long lasting or not, or how many hours it will last. So yeah, let's get started with this video. But before that, do follow me on my Instagram. I've become very active on my main channel, so I would rather ask you to follow me on that account rather than my Travels with Sharma account. Before I get ahead with this, I just want to tell you all, before you guys start asking me in my comment section again, like on every other lipstick video, why this lipstick is looking pink on me, why is this looking more brown on me, why this is washing me out. So I just wanted to tell you all that it will always depend on your lip pigmentation, how a lipstick is coming on you. If you have more of a pigmented lip, then a light shade will definitely wash you out. Darker shade in nude section will going to look better on you rather than a light shade. I tried it personally for myself. There are certain nude shades that doesn't suit me also, and I will show you in that video. So I hope you guys are clear. This was a disclaimer. Get started. Our first lipstick is, okay, we have lipstick from Mars. It's their Mars Poppins lipstick. I got this last year, and also to make sure you always hydrate your lips, because I've been trying so many lipsticks, so it is better that your lipstick does not get dry. I've applied a little bit of my lip balm. Now I'm going to apply this lipstick. This is the Mars Poppins lipstick in the shade Naughty Nutmeg. I literally have to rub this lipstick because this is not a one swipe application. The color is amazing. No doubt the color is amazing. It took me a lot to apply this lipstick, but as it does not glide in one swipe, you need to have like multiple swipes on your lips, as you guys have seen. Now, in terms of the pigment, it's a nicely pigmented lipstick. I personally tried this lipstick and I just want to say the formula of this lipstick is not good. It is already making me feel dry. Like, can you see my cracks are started showing? And when I'm doing this, it is also very sticky. If you have dry lips, it is not a good lipstick for you, so don't even think about buying. But if you have very hydrated lips and you feel like even a dry lipstick works on you, you can buy it because the color is good, the pigment is good. It will take at least 2 swipes for you to complete this lipstick, but I'm absolutely not happy with the formula because I neither have a dry lips nor I have a too hydrated lips. I sometimes only apply lip balm, but I don't feel that comfortable in the formula because it starts to get dry. Like right now only you guys can see the cracks on my lips, which I don't really like with my lipstick. See if this transfers or not. Does not transfer, which is a very good thing. So you can try your shade, and if it does not, there might be chances that it does not feel dry on your lips, but I don't like it for myself and I will not recommend it for you all as well. So this lipstick will goes on to the position of, I've already written all the lipsticks by the way. So I have rated this lipstick at 13 number position because of the formula only and how it is not a one swipe application. So this goes on the 13th position. Apply lip balm every time, or my lips are going to get super dry after applying 15 lipsticks. Okay, time for the next lipstick. Oh, we have the Blue Heavens Hyperstay Weightless Liquid Matte Lipstick. Again, I got this last year only. Past 2 days only I've been trying certain lipsticks because I really don't know if they are very long lasting or not. The formula of this lipstick is really good. So it's a one swipe application and just look at the color. It is so stunning. Yeah, this looks very good, like very more of a brown red sort of tone. This is in the shade 12 by the way, and it starts to get dry very, very fast, which is a very good thing because like right now you start seeing that glossiness is fading away. As I've told you guys, the formula is absolutely very comfortable, but I have tried this in the past. It has gone lighten, so it was not that long lasting lipstick. Also, it starts sticking just like Mars Poppins. Now I started to feeling that dryness again on my lips because liquid lipstick generally, especially coming from brands like Blue Heaven, which are very like low, because Blue Heaven has a good quality when it comes to creamy lipsticks. I'm not sure about the liquid lipstick and does not transfer, which is a very, very good thing. But I remember, can you see from in between? It has got lightened. That's why I have rated this lipstick at 14th position, because firstly it is not a long lasting lipstick, so it will hardly last for even an hour. So that's why I was not really satisfied from this lipstick. Get ahead with our next lipstick, and now we have a lipstick from Swiss Beauty. Oh my god, this is like literally my favorite lipstick. It's the 11 Chocolava. The moment I got this lipstick, I was a fan. I literally became a fan of Swiss Beauty because just look at the packaging. Firstly, it's a magnetic packaging, and the way the shade is coming off towards black is so good. And I love this shade personally so much. Like, let me show you one side application that this lipstick has. Can you see that? Like, can you believe me? So good. Firstly, you guys can see the pigment, which is actually super amazing, and which is the one swipe application, like glides like smoothest butter. And this is how it is looking on me right now. So good. When it comes to the long lasting, this lipstick literally lasted for 4.5 hours. Like, this is the time that I usually think is the best, which is like the best long lasting hours for a lipstick. I feel like if your lipstick is going more than 5 hours, it's too much. Now let's see if this transfers or not. Okay, it does transfer. I think we finally have a lipstick that transfers. So it will get lightened up, but it will not get removed properly as it has a very, very nice pigment. I personally believe that the lipstick must have a good formula. I'm ready to apply it like for 4 times or 3 times. I'm ready to apply it like at least 3 times if it has a good, comfortable formula, because this is very, very comfortable on my lips and I just love that fact. And that's why I gave it a position of 6, because it transfers. That is why I gave it a position of 6, or else this would have been at second or third position for me. Like, just look at this. Everything is just perfect about this lipstick. Next lipstick is L'Oreal Paris lipstick. Again, it's in the shade 120 Eyelid. I don't know why I have a misconception about this lipstick, because last night I tried this lipstick and oh my god, the pigment is freaking amazing. How can I be disappointed from L'Oreal? L'Oreal does everything top notch. Like, let me show you. Pigment amazing, color amazing. One swipe application, by the way. And you guys already know the tip makes it easier for you to line your lips as well. I love this lipstick. Like, I love this color, but I thought that this lipstick was not that long lasting. And when I tried it yesterday, I felt like the formula is so good, so lightweight, that when I use this lipstick and when I gone out for my walk, because I wanted to test this out last night, that's why I applied this lipstick and I went out. And I didn't even realize that I have a lipstick on. It was so comfortable that I literally forgot. Even when I was doing this or something like that, it was so freaking comfortable. So the formula is literally 10 on 10. The color you can already see. So I came across the fact that it easily lasts for 3 hours, and it can transfer if you've had your food and all, because it starts to get faded from in between, because every lipstick fades from there only. And but 3 hours is a very, very good time, not a bad one. The formula again is comfortable. It's a one swipe application, so again, one thing that makes it really, really good. Now let's see if this transfers, because I thought this transfers, as it does not feel very, very mattified formula. It takes a very long time to get mattified, but let me see if this transfers or not. Yes, I think this was the fact. This was the fact why this lipstick gets so freaking light. Like, the moment I pressed my lips, this is what it does. And that is the reason why I think this lipstick does not work, because I feel like every liquid lipstick comes with the idea that it does not transfer, but this transfers. And coming from L'Oreal, this was the part where I was I think that is why I was little disappointed. And again, because this transfers like Swiss Beauty, I gave it a lower position of 7th, as it transfers a lot, like it transfers more than the Swiss Beauty ones. And I literally can see that my lipstick has literally came off, like 50% of my lipstick literally came off, and that's why I put it at 7th position. Next lipstick is Stays 929 Triangle Lipstick. This is in the shade 02 Scarlet Whisper. Let me just remove my existing lipstick. Again, I tried this lipstick today in the morning only after I've had my shower. And the moment I applied this lipstick, I was literally very surprised. And I thought, why have I not used this lipstick very much? The color is so freaking stunning. This is in the tone of pink. Moment I applied the shade, I felt like this is what I was missing in my collection. Something very pinky. And I applied this lipstick and I forgot about it. And I thought that I will at least test it out for 2 hours. If it lasted more than that, I will just rank it accordingly. But guess what, guys? Within 10 to 15 minutes, I started feeling that it was getting dry again. Like another lipstick which is getting dry. Even though I think within 10 to 20 seconds only it has gone mattified. That pigment is very good. Like creamy lipsticks, I really love when they give me such a one swipe pigment. I feel like this is very comfortable for the first 15 to 20 minutes, but after that you start to feel that crack, because the moment you start speaking or you start doing something, the moment you start seeing that the formula is sticking, you get to know that this will going to get more dried up. Now let's do the transfer. Does not transfer, but when I'm doing this now, it is very sticky, and I don't like sticky formula at all. So for the formula, and because it gets dried up, does not transfer, which is a very good thing, there might be chances that if you have a very hydrating lips, this might come across as a very good one. But for someone who has dry or super dry lips or occasionally get dried up, don't buy this lipstick. And that's why I put this lipstick at the position of 11th, guys. Let's get ahead with another lipstick. And we have my favorite Mars Ariel. Oh, this has been my favorite for a reason. Literally, when I say you guys, not only the color, the way it sits on my lips, and the way it is very, very long lasting. Let me show you the application first. It's a one swipe application, by the way. Can you see that? It has a very light hint of pink going on with the brown. I love this shade so much. It's very subtle. I can apply it anywhere, and I just love this. The best part about this lipstick, I have tested out so many times, because this has been my third restock, like the same shade only, and it lasted for almost 4 hours. If I could remember clearly, I think more than 4 hours also. The formula is firstly very stunning. It glides well. It lasts for so long on, and now we're gonna see if it is transfer proof or not. Yes, it just transfer a bit, but I feel like if I waited for 10-20 seconds more, it would have gone mattified. And that's why I kept this lipstick at 5th position. And let me tell you all, I was very confused at what to keep at first 5 position, because all the 5 lipsticks are so freaking amazing. There's a very like minor difference. There's no such major difference. All the top 5 lipsticks have the best formula, and that's why I've kept it at 5th position. Next lipstick is Mars Matte Mousse lipstick, one of the most disappointing lipstick ever I got from Mars. Firstly, the shade is bad, so I'm not judging it on the basis of shade. I'm judging it basically on the formula. Formula is very good. This is in the shade 05 uh, Empress, I think. And I don't know why I've said such good things about this lipstick. This lipstick literally washes me out, but I just want to show you guys formula. Formula is very good. It's very like velvety formula. But the way it fades away from my lips out of nowhere within an hour, or you could say 1.5 hours, is bad. Like it fades away. It is not really a long lasting lipstick. Like I would say, if there will be a dark shade, it will hardly last for more than 2 hours. Also, because the formula feels very thick on my lips, I don't really feel like, every time I feel like I've applied something very major on my lips, even when it's just a lipstick. Matlab, it is not very comfortable, it is okayish comfortable sort of formula. It comes off like, I will do this and the lipstick will come off. I will do this, the lipstick will come off. So that is what, it transfers very, very fast, does not last longer, and that's why this lipstick goes at the position of 15th. And I would not really recommend you to buy this lipstick because it does not settles down, it does not mattify, it stays the same the way it is. Next lipstick is, we have K Beauty's Gossip, one of my most applied, favorite, loved lipstick after after the Mars Ariel All lipstick. Firstly, why? It is a perfect nude lipstick. If this shade was one shade lighter, it was going to wash me out. So this is like a perfect nude for me that I could apply even when I'm going out for grocery shopping. One swipe application again. I love it. The color like literally settles with my skin. Feels like very skin like color. Very creamy lipstick and very comfortable, like very, very comfortable for my lips. Like, it was, by the way, gifted to me by my friend and I love her for this. I just love it. It does transfer a bit, and what I did was I applied 3 lipsticks, and this was the lipstick that came off very, very faster than the comparatively 2 other lipsticks. By the way, the formula is good. It transfers, I will show you if this transfers or not, but it can easily last for like 3 to, I feel like this easily lasts for 3.5 hours. It does transfer very less, but it is not going to stay more than 3.5 hours. I feel like we will get a better idea if you have a darker shade, but I love the shade so much. I would want to try more shade in this particular one only, the crayon from K Beauty, and you guys can also try it out because it transfers a bit. That's why I've kept it at 4th position. The top 5 lipsticks are so good, like you don't even have to think before buying it. If you want to buy any other shade in this particular lipstick, if you want to buy any other shade, just go ahead and buy it because the formula is good. Get ahead with our next lipstick, and then we have a lipstick from Elite. It's the tan nude lipstick. I love the shade. Again, on a pink side, this lipstick. One swipe application and you guys are gonna see. The main issue with this lipstick, formula is good, very comfortable, no doubt in that. Only issue is it does not last longer for 2.5 hours, I think so. And I think it also transfers a bit. The color is so freaking pretty, but the way it smells like from a bubble gum, the smell is like that. And that is also one reason I've kept it at a lower position. We're gonna see if this transfers or not. Yeah, it transfers very, very much. It transfers like in a very good amount it transfers, and you guys can see a difference in my lips also, like as if the lipstick has been removed. Like it feels like as if 40% of my lipstick has literally faded away. So that's why I kept this lipstick at the position of 10th. So our next lipstick is Matte About You lipstick from Hilary Rhoda. Got it last year again. I love that how amazing this lipstick is. With in just rupees 120. One swipe application in the shade 03 Coffee Date. A good brown lipstick. It also again feels like very, very buttery. Does not make my lips dry at all and feels super, super amazing. Like the formula is good and the pigment is really, really good. Does not have any sort of smell. Feels very, very creamy, comfortable, and only this much lipstick is left. There are so many lipstick that I have which are 2 years old that I've still not completed. They are still like this much left, but because I love applying this lipstick, I'm comfortable in applying a very nice little bit of lighter shade than a darker shade. That's why I apply this lipstick so much. So when I checked that how long it lasted for almost 3 hours, not more than that I'd say, because also drugstore brand, many times it does not every drugstore brand will give you a very, very long lasting formula, but this is how it is. And now we're going to see if this transfers or not. Transfers like too much, and this goes at a position of 8th. Next up we have a lipstick. It's the Swiss Beauty's crayon lipstick. I've talked so much about this lipstick. The Swiss Beauty Stay On Lip Crayon in the shade 19 Artist Nude. Very, very famous shade. Glides like butter. Glides very good. Like, can you guys see? And it's a very, very pretty shade, by the way. Just look at it. Very amazing. It starts to get mattified very, very fast. But the moment it starts get mattified, it also gets very dry. Like, I've seen it, and I've literally used this lipstick while I was going out. And I use this lipstick even after knowing the fact that it gets dry because of the color only. And the way it is very, very pigmented. And that was literally the one reason I use this lipstick. But it still stays it still stays for longer hours. Like, it gets dry, it starts to give you that cracky situation, but it does not fade from your lips. And that's why I have literally tested out this lipstick. It lasted for 4 hours. So that is a very good part. But because it has a dry formula, more after 2 hours or something like that, even though it has got completely mattified, let's see if this is transfer proof or not. Transfers, guys, transfers. I think it will not transfer if I have tried it after 5 minutes more. But I like that the pigment does not comes off very much. But I'm actually feeling that dryness right now when I have this lipstick on my lips.
And this lipstick goes at a position of 12th.
Next lipstick we have got is Insights Lip Cream. Okay, I have talked about this lipstick like crazily. This is in the shade 12 Nude. The way this lipstick says lip cream, it is actually like a cream for your lips. Like, let me show you. Application is so amazing. Formula is so good that I feel like I'm literally applying an Amul butter on my lips. Like, what is not so lovely about this lipstick? The shade is amazing. The formula is amazing. And I love the packaging as well of this lipstick, by the way, let me tell you all. This lipstick has never disappointed me in any way because I've used it. This I've been using it since a year now, about to get empty only. But this lipstick has been something that I try to find flaws in this lipstick. Like, there might be something because this comes from a drugstore brand Insight, and this was for just rupees one. Sorry, this was for just rupees 200. So I was like, might be some sort of issue with this lipstick because the shade range is also very limited. But I couldn't really find any flaw, and the way one swipe pigmentation. Second of all, you will see it is very long lasting. Out of all the lipstick, this has literally lasted for 4.5 hours or even more than that. Like, this lipstick is so freaking good that it has lasted more than 4.5 hours. Let's do the transfer proof test. Very less transfer. That is an amazing part, that it does not transfer. It lasts for long hours. The formula is amazing, very comfortable on the lips. Does not makes my lip dry at all. And that's why I kept this lipstick at first position. So this is the lipstick that won out of all the lipstick. Our next lipstick, which is Maybelline Serum Lipstick, which I also included in my last video. And I tested out this lipstick. This is a very good formula, guys. Let me tell you. Let me show you first. One swipe formula. You need to rub little bit of the lipstick on your lips again, and it's a serum lipstick, so it's going to give you this glossy sort of a thing, and that is the reason why it also transfers, and it does not last very long. So I tried it yesterday without having any food, and then also it lasted for only 2.5 hours. It was not more than that. So if I've had anything, this was this was the situation when I haven't had anything. If I had anything, this might have got removed within like 2 hours or something. Because this is very glossy, it does not get mattify. The idea of this lipstick only is to give you this serum sort of texture. But I love this lipstick. Personally, I love this lipstick so much because it feels very light on my lips. The formula again is very good. I love a comfortable formula than a drying formula which lasts for longer. It just transfers very much because of the glossy finish, likewise I said. And that's why I gave it a position of 9, because I love the formula. That's why I gave it a position of 9, or else I would have given it a position of 10 or 11. And I think now we only have 2 lipsticks left that are positioned at third and second. First, we have a position of lipstick at third, which is Blue Heaven Intense Matte. If you guys have tried this particular range of Blue Heaven, you might know this is one of the most amazing formula out there. I love this lipstick, Chocolate Swirl. Again a shade that I have restocked for the second time. Can you see that? I also have one more shade which is called Sandy Beach that literally got over. That is like a perfect nude for me. And this lipstick also I love. The formula is good, pigmentation is amazing, and one of my oldest lipstick that I restocked like 2 years back again. I don't really apply this lipstick because it's way too darker for me, but I love the lip shade, so I use it for my events, for shadi, and even if I'm going out at night for dinner or anything. So I love the shade for that. Like, just look at the shade. I love it. I have tested out this lipstick, and again this lasts for almost 4 hours. Can you guys believe Blue Heaven giving us such amazing formula that has long lasting feature? Now let's do the transfer proof test. It does transfer, but everything else about this lipstick is amazing, and that is why I kept this lipstick at third position. This is the reason, or else this might would have been at second position. But likewise, I told you, top 5 nude lipsticks that I've shared in this video are all amazing. You can choose with your eyes closed. We have just one lipstick left with us, which is the Maybelline's More Taupe. It is obviously ranked at second position because that is the only position left. And look at the lipstick. It is only this much. This is the 7.99 More Taupe. I'm going to restock this particular shade only, and I want to try more lipstick. Like, let me show you firstly the application. One swipe application. Like, so good. I love the shade very much. Like, very much in the sense, like, formula is so good that I want to apply the shade even though this is a bit darker, but I'm okay to apply this because the formula is so freaking good. It glides on my lips like butter only, but so creamy. My love for creamy shades are literally different, and this has again lasted for more than 4.5 hours. But when I tested out this lipstick and my Insight lip cream on my hand, lipstick was much more long lasting when I tried it on my hand and even on my lips also. So this gave me a clear result that this has to be at first position and this has to be second position, only because this is much more long lasting. And here comes the long lasting test. On this. It does transfer, but not that much. And this is the reason why I kept it on the second position, not third, because the Blue Heaven shade transfers more than this and takes longer time to settle in. But yeah, this was my overall verdict for today's lipstick. So yeah, I hope you guys have loved it because I tried to do something different for you all only so that you guys can get to know which lipstick to buy for yourself. Likewise, I said in the start of the video only, if you have darker pigmented lips, a very light shade might not suit you that much and it will wash you out. Or at times it is also because of your skin tone and it might not suit you. So you have to be very careful. If you have pink sort of lips, there are higher chances that each and every sort of light lipstick will suit you, like maximum of the time. Yeah, this was for today's video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, keep subscribing my channel, keep following me on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.